Imagine you have access to 500 of the richest people in America. You have collected all their wisdom, all their knowledge, and all you have found that 13 principles that all 500 people have in common. This took Napoleon Hill 25 years of research to get into this book, and today we are discussing about this book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Hi, this is Mahesh Kadarwan. I am a financial freedom mentor, mentoring people to be financial literate and achieve financial freedom. I am on a mission to help 1 lakh people to be financial literate and achieve financial freedom. So this book is very close to me, and really it is an eye opener for me. But many people in this world have mistakenly this book, and a lot of bad reviews have been done for this book because the heading of this book is title of the book is Think and Grow Rich. So we just can't think and grow rich and sit and meditate and the money will come into a lap. No, that's not possible. You have to work hard for that. But what he has shared exactly is the 13 principles of all those 500 richest people in America: Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, Rockefeller, any of I have just named any one or two people, but this all people have something common in him, and he has searched with him, he interviewed them, and he has spent over 25 years of research, and then came up with only 13 principles. So you imagine it's so lot of data and just got into just a small book of 13 principles. This is most successful book of all times in the personal development segment. I am going to ask this question: have you read this book? If not, please go and buy today itself, because if you want to realize what is financial freedom, if you want to realize what is the real meaning of money, if you want to be get rich, and if you want to grow rich, then please buy this book, because this book will be a roadmap for you to achieve financial freedom. Because this book will it's like a Pandora box. It will open a lot of secrets of richest people in whole America at that point of time, 1967, around kind of thing. So it is really a knowledgeable book. I think almost everyone must have read this book, but still, if you are one of them who have not read this book, then please, this book summary will help you. And also, after this summary, don't just stay till the end. Don't go in the middle. Just stay till the end and just go and buy this book, because this book is really will be very helpful for you. I am not saying read it now. You just buy it and put it into self, but that book will always make you to read and again and again and again, so that you will be perfected with all the 13 principles what you have mentioned, and that will be the roadmap for your financial freedom. Now, before I go into the book summary, request you to kindly subscribe to my channel. There is a like and button. It's also there. You can get all the bell icons. You will get all the updates, so that as soon as when I publish my book summary, you will get all the details. Now, like I said, everyone, some way or other, must have come across this book. But I think most people don't really understand the book, or they might have got tangled into the narrative aspect of that particular author, Napoleon Hill, what he has said in the book. So, how do you exactly actually think and grow rich? So, like I said, don't sit in the tree and just think that I am going rich, I am going, money will come. No, that's not. You have to work. Then, so what I really like, I will just share you the two chapters, one chapter and one point, and then we can close this book summary. The very first chapter is desire. See, having desire, you have desire, I have desire, everyone in this planet Earth is having desire. But do you have the burning desire? That means you will achieve come what may happen. For example, today, if you want to achieve that goal of reaching to that milestone of, I think I'll say 5 lakhs per month, and for that you have to skip your breakfast, you have to do it. That's the burning desire. You can't postpone the activities which are required to achieve that goal, because that's where the burning desire comes. Having that focus, having that drive to be successful, and everybody will love this chapter. I am sure about that, and that's the very first chapter that is Napoleon Hill has done that. So please buy this book. You will get lot of knowledge about this book. And very another important thing which really changed my life is Mastermind Alliance. You must have heard of team, leader, leadership. I'm not talking about leader. No. I'm not talking about team. No. I'm talking about mastermind alliance. Mastermind means what? Your mind, who is successful, who are already successful in that particular field. You're in that particular league of people. They are just guiding you. They are just mentoring you. And that's just really a blessing for you, my dear friends, if you get to that mastermind alliance. Henry Carney was in that group of mastermind alliance, and that is why he became rich, because he had just what he had done. He had just copied what they have done successfully. That's all. He had nothing reinvented the wheel. He just put the principles, applied the principles what they have already done in their life, and just got success. That's all. But like I said, burning desire should be the major thing. Should be the other chapters are there, but these two things which really crossed my heart and made me a financial freedom mentor. Because at 37, I became financial freedom. Why? Because this book has really changed my life 5 years back. So I would like to change. I would like that change in your life also. And if you want, you can always call me. I'm a mentor, so I can mentor you first to be financial literate, and then you can achieve financial freedom. And this book will also, this book's teachings, this book, the goal setting, how to set the goals and everything, all that I will teach you, and I will help you in your financial freedom roadmap. So if you think this video has really added value to your life, then please subscribe, share with your friends so that everyone will benefit in this particular journey. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you must have liked this video, and I am sure you will be taking the step of buying that book. The link is given below. Is a Kindle edition. You can go for that, or if you want, you can go for the paperback edition by Jayco Publications. And is the original. The blue color is the original version. The others are just reprinted versions. So don't go for the other versions. This is the original version you can go for. And yeah, all the best for your financial freedom journey. Thank you. Stay blessed. God bless you.